we can see the exercise 7.4 fourth sum. A solid right circular cone of diameter 14 cm, height 8 cm is melted to form a hollow sphere. If the external diameter of the sphere is 10 cm, find the internal diameter. So the solid circular cone shaped solid figure we are going to change as a hollow sphere. Hollow sphere, that means what? Hollow sphere means it have a space, some vacant places between the two spheres, that is called a hollow sphere. Solid circular cone first. The cone in the shape diameter is given, diameter 14 cm, height 8 cm, converted into the sphere, hollow sphere, solid hollow sphere. It have some vacant places. This is a hollow sphere. Here outer diameter, external diameter is 10 cm given. Now we want to find the internal diameter. What is the internal diameter? That is a question. First we can write for the cone, then hollow sphere. Cone diameter already given. So diameter D equal to 14 centimeter. From that we can find the radius. Radius R equal to D by 2. 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. So R equal to 7 centimeter. Then height. What is the height of the cone? Height H equal to 14 H is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Similarly, for the hollow sphere, given external diameter D equal to 10 centimeter. From that we can find the external radius R equal to D by 2. 10 by 2 equal to 5 centimeter. For external radius capital R equal to 5 centimeter. Now we want to find the internal radius small r. We want to find the value for the small r. Given all the details are, we can return. Now substitute in a formula. Volume of a cone equal to volume of a hollow sphere. Volume of a hollow sphere equal to volume of a cone. Both are equal. Already we know the hollow sphere formula. 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube units. Similarly, volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r squared h cube units. Volume of a cone. Here substitute the value 4 by 3 pi capital R 5 cube minus r cube equal to 1 by 3 pi small r squared. So 7 into 7 into 8. Here both side we have a pi. So pi cancel. Next divided by 3 cancel. Pi cancel. Next 3 cancel. Here 4 into 5 cube. 5 cube is 125 minus r cube equal to 7 into 8. 4 change that side means change as a division. 125 minus r cube equal to 7 into 8 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. 7 7s are 49. 49 2s are 98. Here r cube minus, change that side means change as a plus. இப்போ 125 minus 98 equal to r cube. So r cube equal to 27, which implies r equal to 3. The cube root of 27 is 3. So the internal radius we are finding, that is a 3 centimeter. Now what we want to find? Internal diameter. So internal diameter is the internal diameter equal to 2r. 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 centimeter. Therefore the internal diameter of a hollow sphere is 6 centimeter.